hello, my amazingly awesome ASL stars. I'm going to give you a fingerspelling quiz. Right now, we're going to go to the first 5, okay? Fingerspelling quiz, number 1. Again, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. All over again, ready? That can also be, but instead of doing, we do like this, okay? Okay, practice that, review it as many times as you want, and then we'll do the quiz when we come back. Okay guys, we got our new curriculum. I'm so excited. I sent your parents a link to the 2 units I want you to work on. This is everyone's workbook. Those that weren't there, you will get this during your next class. I want you for homework to review Unit 1, which is very short. Reviewing just means click on all the vocabulary words, make sure you understand them, click on all the phrases, make sure you know them, and then I want you to turn to Unit 2, and I want you to watch the videos for it, okay? Very quick, very short. Unit 2, there is, and I showed you guys in class, there are 2 little practices that I want you to do, and that's on page 4 of your workbook, okay? And it looks like this. I want you to do this one and this one. Very short. Now, I want you to rewind it when you need it, okay? So just stop it and go back and take a look. This is you are going to work on your number practice. The first one is watch the video, and I showed this to you guys in class. There's going to be 10 signed phrases. You're gonna write down just the numbers that he says. You're not gonna write down the words. So for example, I think the first one is 10 women and 6 men. You're only gonna write down the and the, okay? And you're gonna do that for all 10 examples. Then the next one is a fingerspelling practice. And for this, a man named Christian is going to be fingerspelling 3 names in each question. 2 of the names will be the same, 1 is different. And I want you to circle the one that's different, okay? And the number 1 example is this. He did 1. Which one was different? And we did it in class, and we said the Nan is different than Tom, okay? And then you're gonna just follow through with that. So that's your homework, and that's what we're gonna work on when you come back. So I'm excited to work with Start ASL with you guys. Okay, for our worship song, we're doing the Lion and the Lamb, and the beginning of the song, there's a lot to sign because we're setting up the whole scene of what the story is. And I gave everyone out a lyric sheet, and we went over in class the actual signs for the first portion. Once we get this first portion down, it repeats itself many times. So it's essentially, we're almost done with the whole song. So I want to break it down for you guys again, just like our previous video. He's coming on the clouds, kings and kingdoms will bow down. We're signing heaven is opening and Jesus will come, okay? For the sign will, you could do that in the beginning of the song or even in the middle of the sentence. So either way, whichever comes out is what will come out. I'm gonna try to do Jesus will come, okay? And every chain of kings and kingdoms will bow down. We're saying king is taking off his crown and he's bowing down, okay? Let's play that. I love this song. I love every chain will break. Where are we? As broken hearts declare his praise. So what we're signing there now, we're saying the people are coming. They're sad and they're pulled down. That's going to break open and they'll be free and praise him. Okay, so I'll do that part with you. Go back just a little bit.
And every chain will break, his broken hearts declare his praise. But who can stop the Lord Almighty?
Okay, good. So if you're following me, the next line is, who can stop, who can prevent the Lord Almighty? Okay, who can stop the Lord Almighty? The next part is, our God is the Lion of Judah. Okay, so for that we're gonna say, God, he is a lion. The Lion of, this is how you say of, like belonging to, it's linking, of Judah. And for Judah, it's actually a lexicalized sign, like a loan sign that we talked about in class. It's J-D-H. And instead of J-D-H, it becomes its own sign. So the movement is like this, Judah. Okay, so make sure where we are. Our God is the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. So he, and this is the teeth, you're gonna roar, okay? He's roaring with power. He is fighting, this is 2 times, fight, battles, or war. And then I want you to sign, he protects us. This is the sign for like shielding. This is my left arm. My right arm is going in front in a circle, okay? Let's try that.
Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is a lion, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles, and every knee will bow.
Okay, and every knee will bow before him. So every knee, we're gonna say, the people will come and kneel. Bow. Okay? Let me go back a little. Let's see if I got it. Here we go.
And fighting our battles, and every knee will bow before him. Our God is the Lamb that...
Okay, now the next part. Our God is the Lamb that was slain. Okay? For the sin of the world, his blood breaks the chains. So for that, we're going to say, God, he is a lamb. Now the lamb, you can sign baby sheep, but a lot of people just sign this for lamb as well. So our God, he's the lamb that was slain. Okay? And Jesus was crucified. So we're going to sign it that way, right? So we're going to say, our God, he's the lamb that was slain, and he's on the cross. And in sign language you sign what for, like why did he die? For, and this is how you sign it, for. So our God, he's the lamb that was slain, and he was slain because for the sin of the world, his blood breaks the chain. So as you're here, I want you to sign forgive. It's like a bent B on the hand, to forgive. But when you're forgiving everyone, you forgive this way, and then you forgive this way. He forgives and forgives the sins of the world. Where are we? So for that part, his blood breaks the chains. That's all you're gonna sign, because that's what it means. He died for us. Okay, what for? Forgive sins. His blood breaks the chains and we are free. And then it's, who can stop the Lord Almighty? Okay, so that's the whole bit. I'm gonna try to do the whole thing with you. It's not gonna be perfect because I have a lot of different interpretations in my mind, but let me try. Okay guys, stay with me. We're gonna do this together. And remember, the point is not perfection, the point is worship. Worshiping Him. And we're worshiping Him in another language, which I think is so awesome. So let's do it together, okay? Here we go.
He's coming on the clouds. Kings and kingdoms will bow down. And every chain will break. His broken hearts declare His praise. But who can stop the Lord Almighty?
Nobody.
Our God is a lion, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. And every knee will bow before Him. Our God is a Lamb, the Lamb that was slain for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Oh, every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb.
Okay, there's Kaden. So, we're gonna conquer this song, you guys, and we're gonna worship God. Practice that. I'm so happy that you're in my class and I get the privilege of teaching you this. Have a great week. I'll see you next week, okay, guys? All right, bye.